How's it going, everyone? Today we are getting Andy's truck, his Ford Maverick, ready for a trip that we're taking to Drummond Island here soon. So it's all factory, all stock right now, and what we're going to be doing is installing a 2-inch lift to give them a bit more clearance while we're out on those trails. So stick around and enjoy the show. Your wheel pops off. You don't have to hit it with like a sledgehammer?
12,000 miles of this thing. You know, that is going to be one of the nice things. I've never worked on a vehicle so new.
I know,
right? Like everything's not rusted together already?
I know. So what I'm used to. Disconnecting the rear swing. Alright, now we're taking off shock bolts.
Shock bolts.
Lower shock bolts.
Lower shock bolts.
For this gear wrench.
Take it as that. Things move. I'm loosening it. Shock is loose.
This upper control arm bolt here, you want to loosen. Do not remove. Remove. Loosen. Move the isolator, and then there's 2 spacers, thicker spacers for the bottom, and one up top, a thin spacer. You're going to want to mark your alignment for the top one because there's no aligning pin up there. Man, this control arm's just thin stamped aluminum.
It's thin, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's reduced weight. It's really just a matter of aligning the bottom one before you put it back together.
Yep.
It doesn't move.
Exactly. Okay, so we got 2 spacers on the bottom. It has an aligning pin, but the aligning pin doesn't go all the way through both spacers, so that is something you're going to want to pay attention to. And then I got the top spacer up there. Seems like the rear is only, because this is also a leveling kit, it's only going to probably raise it about 1 inch in the rear, 2 inches in the front.
Contact. Shock bolt in.
All right, Andy's just buttoning up the sway bar links and a few other bolts down there, but we're down in the back, and we're gonna move on to the front now. Okay, we're starting off in the front, and first thing we gotta do is remove the cowl here.
Yeah, so it clips along the front there.
Mike's here. We're also getting his truck ready for the trip. We're gonna do a diff breather for his rear differential.
So I was out in Alaska on vacation, and I came across this little farmer's market, and a guy was out there, and he's like, "Hey, where'd you get that shirt? Did you actually earn it?" He's like, "No, I just bought it." And he's like, "Oh, that's disappointing."
Got the cowl loosened and the covers for the struts removed. All right, so next, move your tie rod. Disconnect your sway bar link.
I just pull up far enough so she can get into that bottom side. Hopefully she's not yelling at me. Why is it not like fucking jump dropping the right?
No, that was more with a Remy yell.
We got time for that shit.
Maybe if you weren't hogging the instructions. Yeah, recording slows things down. Don't have good angles here. I'm not as tall as you. Yeah, I've got this jacked all the way up for you. You're so tall. Whoa, there's both of these. Mine!
Where'd these come from? Probably not needed.
You're gonna let that drop? You want someone to reach under and grab it for you?
Reach around.
Well, Mike's right behind you already, so.
I'm gonna push it up towards me too. Thank you. Man, it's just hanging there. It's ready to hit the ground, right?
Right.
It's not gonna take much. Besides that, everything should be measured in general.
It should be.
Should be.
You're a kilometer per hour guy?
I can do kilometers per hour.
Yep.
It's all so much easier. That dumb American system with our fractions. Doesn't show you where the stove is. It wouldn't matter if it did. It shows a completely different part.
I would think that was a break it down. Take it bolted in or just held in with pressure?
No pressure. We are using Rough Country's 2-inch lift kit for the 2022 Maverick, right? That's what year this is? That's the first year they came out, right?
Yes.
But we have printed the instructions from the Lift Max brand.
Oh, look at how much. Look at how much nicer the one it shows.
I know, right?
It's weak. Great job, Rough Country. Kiss my ass.
Yeah, like what was shown on the pictures and what we got is two completely different things.
Yeah, this prototype's much nicer than what they send out.
Yeah.
She's showing the instructions.
Sorry, Rough Country. And I'm just waiting for the powder coat to peel off and these things to rust away.
Oh yeah, you know they will. Did you see the hardware that we put on the back? Those two bolts,
the bolts.
two new bolts.
Yeah.
Well,
That's what I said
16
to
says
begin with.
reinstall the rubber isolator.
What the?
Oh shit! What'd you think? Yeah, look at it. It's because look at there's a lip on it.
We gotta cut that.
It doesn't say to.
These spacers, the preload spacers, they don't sit very well, and then they don't sit flush, and then the isolator doesn't even fit on there. We might have to cut it or something to make it fit right.
Man, this is a joke. Oh, we put the grinder with those.
Yeah, it's even got like notches. It looks like they're like a hard rubber plastic spacer or something in the picture. And they're formed and they got nubs for that isolator to align to.
Yeah. Sure do.
Is that knockoff kit?
We already talked to
I talked to Rough Country.
yeah,
They're
today.
like, yeah, I'm gonna send an email off and let them know none of the pictures match.
Wait, so they recognize that this is a real kid and their instructions don't match it?
We're gonna do the other side. Sorry, I turned the camera off for a second, forgot to turn it back on. You didn't really miss much. Okay, we got both struts done with the preload spacers and the top mount spacers. Now we just gotta reverse everything and put everything back together. This is just to show you that you can do it by yourself.
Yeah.
Not me being lazy. It's just demonstrating. Oh crap, we gotta redo it. There's a bracket to extend the ABS line, right? Yeah. We got to install next. And then put the wheels back on and button things up. Here's the bracket to lower the ABS line, don't fall. And we had to reroute it down underneath the brake line here. Easy peasy. Well, we got the 2-inch lift. It looks a lot higher. I think Andy's going to upgrade his tires to something beefier and larger eventually. Once these wear out a bit more. But it's looking good. Tune in for the next episode where we actually put it to the test on Drummond Island. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I said like and subscribe. Al's an idiot.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Oh, wait, no, wasn't pointing at you.
Like and subscribe.
One more time.
Like and subscribe.
Nope, still didn't get it.
Okay. Like and then subscribe.